Hi there, and welcome to FinsavvY USA, your go-to destination for everything you need to know about personal finance, investing, and the economy in all over the world. Whether you're looking to build wealth, understand the stock market, save for retirement, or simply get smarter about your money, you've come to the right place. I'm here to break down the complexities of finance in simple, easy to understand ways, so that you can take control of your financial future. On this channel, we'll be diving into a wide range of topics like understanding credit scores, the basics of investing, what's really happening in the US economy, and how to make smart financial decisions at every stage of life. If you're new to personal finance, don't worry, we've got beginner-friendly videos, and if you're more experienced, we'll have plenty of advanced tips and insights to keep you ahead of the curve. Expect weekly videos on topics like stock market updates, real estate investing, budgeting, and saving hacks, interviews with finance experts, and much more. So, if you want to make smarter financial decisions and learn how to grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. Thanks for stopping by FinsavvY USA. I'm so excited to have you with us on this journey to financial freedom. Let's get started.